What's up, guys? It's your boy Martin G, aka Netpreneur, and welcome to my channel. Today, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to generate free virtual credit cards. Yeah, you had me right. I'm gonna teach you how to generate free virtual credit cards. Okay, now if you've been an online shopper or you kind of stream, you kind of use sites like Netflix, PlayStation, you play games online. The chances that you at some point you're gonna need it to have to pay for stuff with credit cards, and so using a virtual credit card is gonna keep your actual credit card information safe. Due to the activity of spammers, it's not advisable for you to use your actual credit card to pay on the sites that require trial payments. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to generate free virtual credit cards that you can use in place of your actual credit cards. Okay, so I need you to sit back, grab a cup of coffee, a bowl of popcorn, or your favorite soda, and watch me do this. Yeah, okay, guys. So if this is your first time of watching any of my videos or visiting my channel, checking out my content, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos or update my existing contents. And I'm gonna tell you why you need to do this, because when you do this, you would always be the first online to be notified whenever there's an update from me or whenever I'm giving out free stuff. And yeah, about free stuff, I always give out free stuff to my subscribers. So to ensure you don't miss out on the premium freebies, show some love, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification icon to ensure who is staying in line. You get information, never miss out on the stuff I give. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go straight to the business of the day. And like I said today, I'm gonna teach you how to generate free virtual credit cards online that you can use in place of your actual credit cards. Okay, so to do this, there's this website. You just have to open up your browser and enter freetoolshub.com. Okay, so freetoolshub is a 100% free SEO premium and digital tools website that you can use. It has over 150 premium tools that you can use to carry out different tasks, and it also includes a virtual credit card creation. So like I said, just have to today we're going to learn how to create a free virtual credit card that you can use in place of your actual credit card. So to do this, you just go to the search bar and type credit card generator with CVV. And you click on yes, and when you scroll down, you can select the type of credit card that you want. If you want the Visa, the Mastercard, American Express, Amex, Discover, and JCB. So it's up to you to select the one that you want. Okay, so let's use Amex, American Express, for this demonstration, and we'll click on generate. Awesome. So as you can see, our credit card generator tool has generated an Amex credit card for us, a virtual credit card, and you can copy the details. It's the credit card numbers, the name, the expiry date, and the CVV. Yeah, so you can use this credit card as a fake credit card, the virtual credit cards in place of your actual credit cards to kind of pay on trials. I think that you can try it out to see if it works for PlayStation and Netflix and all those other sites. Okay, so guys, this is how you can generate a free virtual credit card that you can use in place of your actual credit card. And if you found this video useful, just click the like button. Also, don't forget to share on your social media channels. Thanks for watching once again. Watch out for my next video. I'm signing out. Bye for now.